Breaking news at 6, a Lafourche Parish student has been charged with sharing explicit photos of another student that were all created by artificial intelligence.
Yeah, this all comes after a middle schooler says nude images of her were made using AI and then shown to students at 6th Ward Middle School. WDSU's Travers Mackel has reaction from all parties involved and how one state lawmaker says he is taking action for harsher penalties.
Thibodaux-based attorney Matthew Ori made it clear to members of the Lafourche Parish School Board last week.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on here, I'll be quite frank, is nothing more than disgusting.
He represents a middle school girl from 6th Ward Middle School who he claims was the victim of cyberbullying. Ori claims another student, also in middle school, used artificial intelligence to superimpose his client's head onto a naked body and then showed it to others.
So here's what we know. We have a kid, undoubtedly, whose images were taken, manipulated, and manufactured of child pornography by a student at that school.
Ori claims the girl reported the incident to the school immediately.
She asked them for help. She was denied. She then asked to talk to her father, to call her father, because she was being made fun of. She was denied.
Ori then says the school put the girl on the school bus with the person who made the images. Upset, he says she hit the boy. That led to the girl being expelled. Ori says actions by the girl were screened by the Lafourche Parish DA.
They will not. They have adamantly said they will never charge that little girl with battery.
School system leaders did address the matter at last week's hearing.
There were many members of her staff who were aware of the allegations.
Jared Martin is the superintendent of the school system in Lafourche Parish.
There were at least, I'm afraid to put a number to it, but well over half a dozen students who were circulating these photos amongst themselves all in the back of that bus. Unfortunately, this despicable behavior had become pervasive that particular day amongst many students. And her staff was trying to arrive at the origin and then how it got to be and where it went from there.
The sheriff's office confirms it is investigating the matter, and one state lawmaker says he'll also take action.
The current law, as it pertains to disseminating artificial intelligence photographs, is a misdemeanor crime. So my intention is to change that crime of creating these photographs and create a felony.
Because State Rep Ryan Fontenot says AI deepfakes have to be regulated.
I've been in communication with her father, and my intention would be to create this piece of legislation and then name the legislation after the victim of this horrendous crime.
Reporting in Lafourche Parish, I'm Travers Mackel, WDSU News.
Well, the district attorney's office says it does not discuss matters involving juveniles.
In a written statement, the school system says in part that they are aware of the public's interest in this controversial case, but laws prohibit the school system from discussing student disciplinary records.
And the school system says they immediately and thoroughly investigate any and all student conduct code violations and deliver consequences accordingly. They also claim that misinformation and omission of facts are creating a one-sided story in this case, affecting their total response to the situation. We will be following the story closely as it develops. Stay with WDSU for the latest updates. Meanwhile,